Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to make an info image of products for e-commerce in Canva. So let's get started. Well, I have already logged into my Canva dashboard. If you don't have a Canva account, just navigate to canva.com and create a free account. Well, to create an info image, I'll navigate into my search section and I will type in product info. I'll press on enter and Canva will search from all the available templates that I can use. From the many options that are available, I will scroll through to find one that is in rhyme with my product. Of the many options that are available, I'll select the anti-aging serum. I'll click on that, and from the flyout menu that pops up, I'll select customize this template. Canva will then open the template in design mode. Here, I have the ability to manipulate the graphics and all the elements that have been used to create this design. For example, if I had selected the wrong template and I would like to change it, I'll navigate into the design area template option and scan through all the many other templates that are available. We want to use what you already have. So you notice that every other element in this design is individual and independent, and I can edit that to suit my needs. If I want to describe my product using this element, I'll just double click on the text that are available there and change that to the text of my choice. I can also change the color by just clicking on the placeholder, navigate into the color option and change that to a color that I prefer. This color looks nice, don't you think? Now, I'll also want to add my logo down here or to add an element. So in this case, I'll navigate into the uploads option, find from the various elements that are already uploaded in here. In this case, a lot of photos, I have already done that. But if you don't have one, you can drag drop from your computer or import them from the different file services that are available, including Box, Google Drive, and Dropbox. I had already uploaded an image that I'll use as a sample and happens to be here. So I'll press hold and drag it into my workspace. I'll then make it a little bit smaller, just pulling it out from the bottom section, changing that so that it fits. I think that looks good. So I can make it smaller proportionally and I can bring it down here where we have our social media handle. Notice that I can also choose to change some of the backgrounds, for example this image that I already have, and my infographics will look definitely awesome. I can also change some of the placeholders that are in here, including the color tone. For example, if I don't like this white, I'll click on that, navigate into the color spectrum and choose a color spectrum of my choice. That looks nice. And that too, we can change the color. And that too, we can change to this other color. This one disappeared. We can give it a different color like pink. I can also include more information on this graphic, and once it's done, including changing the title, navigate into the share option and import it depending on the medium you'll be using it. And there we go. That is how to make info image of products for e-commerce in Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.